This week we visit Ballarat on a budget. While on our lap of Australia, our goal is to live off $1,000 a week. So we find an awesome free camp and find some great free activities for the kids. Come see what caravanning with kids is really like. Google always takes us through the shingle roads because apparently it's the fastest way, but the roughest way. So we are staying at a free camp called Haddon's Lion Park. So it's just on the outskirts of Ballarat and it's just a donation camp and it's really nice and quiet. I'll give you guys a tour. The kids are tired of doing activities like the zoo. They just want to stay at the caravan. Hello! There's a spider on my nose. Oh, is there? They just want to play, don't you?
It's so scary!
Turn around, let me see. Is there a spider? Oh, I can't see it. The kids just want to play. And they need to do some homeschool, eh, Lila? Yeah, because it's Easter next week. So you got to catch up with your homeschool. At least we've got a cool playground to play at here. Yeah, I'll watch you.
Nice clean barbecue.
Well, Corey said there's a nice clean barbecue area over here. Oh, cool. We need to find some more free camps like this. So at the moment I can count 10 caravans here and it's a really big and open space. We thought we needed to do some free camping because our budget's getting blown from these expensive campgrounds. We had our first puncture. It was just like a slow leak, so Corey managed to get help getting the tyre off this morning.
You want me to say I got help getting the tyre off?
Yeah, you got help from the old man.
No, he just came over and supervised.
Okay. Corey got the man to help supervise, take the tyre off, and we just went down and got it fixed. Getting a haircut, Theo? Yeah. Hello! Oh my gosh, yes, it's very cute, Theo. Theo, look at me. Hello! Oh, you just want the Easter egg. So today we had to hit the shops because we were freezing last night. It got down to 8 degrees and we've only got a summer duvet, so we had to come down and buy some winter blankets. So I have come to the laundromat today because we are swamped with washing and the kids have run out. So it does say 3 baskets, so $9. Let's see if we can fit. Well, I didn't fit it all, but I've got no more room to hang it up at home, so we'll just do that another time. So now I get 20 minutes to read my book in the car and relax without the kids. Come back and Corey's done all the dishes. Where are you? And he's cleaning your bathroom. And kids are playing at the playground with some new friends, hey? Yep. Washing hung out. Now we're going to have some lunch and go for a bike ride. So we've arrived at Lake Winduree. Winduree? Let's start again. Do you want to say?
We've arrived at Lake Dora.
We've arrived at Lake Winduree and we're going to bike around the whole lake, which is 10 k's, and then we saw the really cool architecture in the city, so I'm hoping we can bike along there too. You ready to go, Theo?
You got it. We only have got to stop at the door.
Yeah, we've already stopped at the toilet. Look at that though. Does that look pretty with the boats and the little boat houses and the ducks?
The pretty thing is that waterfall over there. Well, not the waterfall. Sprinkler on the water.
Yep, we'll go see that. Hop on. Okay, let's go. Take 2. We'll go fast then, eh? Look at all the birds, guys. See the corellas. Hello. Yeah, they're not moving, are they? Lots of birds here, aren't there? I don't bring any food. So many swans here. It's cleaning up all the seaweed. Because see, look what happens if you don't clean up all the seaweed. The birds can't even swim in that. Yeah, look at all that weed. Yeah, then truck needs to come here, eh? They're rowing. Yeah, they're rowing along here. What's this thing? What is this, Theo? Go to the city now. So we're gonna go see the art gallery of Ballarat. Yeah, we can go in here.
I think it's wildlife.
Did you colour it in? You gotta pedal fast.
Theo's learning to ride his bike without training wheels. He's fallen off a few times, but he's doing a good job.
Pedal faster, Mum.
Woohoo!
Stop!
Do you know how to stop? Yeah.
Yeah, I did it. Get me on.
Go Theo! Oh! It's okay.
Little crow bikers.
Go Theo! Keep going, don't stop. Is it fun?
Can I do it again?
Yeah.
I can win.
I'll give you a push. Oh, hang on. He needs to learn how to start. Okay, ready?
I will get on too.
Yeah, ready? Go
One.
fast to start off with.
1,
2,
Yeah.
go fast, pedal. Nah, yeah, he's got it. Turning, keep going faster. It's okay. It's okay. We need to go that way, yeah. Good boy. Go to Dad. And he's coming back. Look at that smile. Good boy. Go all the way to the caravan. Don't stop. Keep pedaling. Go to the caravan. Keep going. Oopsie. There's lots of leaves. That's okay.
Bike over leaves and sticks.
Let's go. And they're off again. Go Theo.